Well guys, today's video is going to be a little bit of something different. You see, we did a little project on the bathroom and I found something out that I thought was really neat and I wanted to share it with you guys. I know it totally goes against everything that this channel is about, but I'm just so excited about it that I couldn't help but grab the camera, or actually I grabbed my phone. And I even recorded it in the wrong mode. I recorded it vertically. Almost kind of on purpose, but it was meant to be one of these. I'm going to do a video that might go viral, so I'm just going to grab my phone and do it. Anyways, let's jump right into that. Hey guys, my name is Jason, and today we did a little bit of a project by putting some old rough cut sawn lumber up on the wall in the bathroom, and it looks fairly new. Let me show you. So this is the wood in its rough cut look. And one of the things that we want to be able to do to it is we want to be able to age it. And what we've done is we've taken some 000 steel wool in this mason jar with some vinegar, distilled vinegar. And what it will do, after you let it set for 3 or 4 days, you're just going to take a regular old paintbrush and you're going to brush it on the wood. And what will happen is you can see that I've already done this section over here as it starts to turn gray, and eventually will get a lot darker once that vinegar dries. And it's a very easy process. Once you put it on, like I said, you're just going to use a brush, you wipe it on, and you're going to let that dry, and you come back and see what it looks like. It almost starts to dry instantly, and as you can tell by the wood behind me, it's already starting to show some signs of gray. Different woods will react differently. But with this stuff here, this is just regular pine, I believe, and you'll notice it start to turn fairly quickly, and we'll be looking forward to seeing what the end result is. We're going to show you that at the end of this video. In the meantime, I'm going to show you just exactly how easy it is to brush on. You're going to be mindful of where you've actually brushed, because it's hard to see once it's on there. Other than a little bit of glare from the vinegar, you got to make sure you're overlapping your path here. You can see it shiny there where I overlap. The best thing about this is, unlike painting, you don't have to worry about getting the paint or the material everywhere, because it is just vinegar. It wipes down very easily. So we're going to come back when this project is dry. You can see the wood and see what you think of it. So we managed to let the vinegar solution set overnight on the wood, and I had 2 more pieces that I had to finish. So let's take a look at how dark it is and the difference between the before and the after. So with no lights on, you can see that it's darkened up quite well. And as we come over to the 2 pieces that I just finished up this morning, you can see the difference between the treated and untreated side. What a difference. And then we're going to flick on the lights and it brightens up pretty good. So I think it's a warm, fuzzy feeling, and that's kind of what we were going for. Just got to do some touch-up spots. We got to finish or put some stain on that, and a few spots up here in the corners that we actually missed. But nevertheless, it's easy to do, and it virtually took no skill at all. If you can run a paintbrush, well, you can do this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this look, and maybe it's something you guys can do in the future. Well, there you go, guys. That's steel wool and vinegar making old wood look new. Listen, if you like car stuff, that's what this channel is mainly about. It's solely what this channel is about, and we do all kinds of stuff, like working on my 79 Chrysler Cordoba, as well as my 77 Chevy C10 we call Dale the truck, and all kinds of videos on both of those cars. Hope you guys can stick around and hit that subscribe button, and I end every video with stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. Stay tuned, guys. Lots more to come.